In class 9 we have very important chapter, that is exponents and radicals. To understand exponents and radicals, we have to learn about real numbers. You know very well that real number is the collection of rational numbers and irrational numbers. And rational number is a number of the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, is called a rational number. So rational numbers must be in the form of p by q, and here p and q both should be integers, and the denominator, that is q, should not be 0. But in irrational number, we can say a number which is not rational, that is called irrational number, means which doesn't satisfy all these three conditions. So that number will not be rational and that will be irrational. For example, root 2, root 3, root 5, these are irrational numbers. To learn exponent, you see this figure. Here 2 is written once. So this can be written as 1 into 2. Because 2 is written only one time, that's why this 2 can be also expressed as 1 into 2. 2 plus 2, this 2 is added twice times. So this will be 2 into 2, means 2 is multiplied by 2, because 2 is added twice times. This 2 plus 2 and plus 2, here 3 times are there, so it will be 3 into 2. If 4 times will be there, then it will be 4 into 2. If it is 5 times, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, so its value will be 5 into 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, so it is 6 into 2. 7 times, 7 into 2, like this. So by what number we have to multiply that 2, depending upon how many times we are adding this 2. हमको ये देखना है कि 2 को हम कितनी बार प्लस कर रहे हैं. 2 को 2 से प्लस कर रहे हैं, फिर उसको 2 से कर रहे हैं, फिर उसको 2 से कर रहे हैं, फिर उसको 2 से कर रहे हैं. तो ये 2 कितनी बार आया, उसके हिसाब से हम इसको 5 इंटू 2 लिखें. तो ये मान लीजिए कि 1000 टाइम्स आता है, तो हमको 1000 टाइम्स इसको ऐड करना पड़ेगा. इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में 1000 टाइम को हम लोग 1000 इंटू 2 लिख के उसका वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. इसलिए ये एक्सपोनेंट्स एंड रेडिकल्स हमारे लिए इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि हम लंबे सीरीज़ में किसी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई या गुना कर रहे हैं, तो उसको ना करके हम लोग एक शॉर्ट फॉर्म में उसका वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. अब आप इस सीरीज़ को देखें. ये जो सीरीज़ है, इसमें 2, फर्स्ट में हम 2 लिखें. यहाँ पर 2 2 बार मल्टीप्लाइड किया गया, दैट इज़ 2 इंटू 2. So this is 2 to the power 1, because only 2 is here. Here there are 2 times 2 written, so it will be 2 to the power 2. Why? Because it is multiplied twice times. This number here in this series, it is multiplied how many times? 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 cube, and its value is 8. Here we are seeing that this 2 is multiplied 4 times, so it is 2 to the power 4, and that is equal to 16. Here you see how many times this 2 is multiplied. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So here it is 5 times, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it is. So it will be 32, and here 2 is multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 6. We can find its value. Similarly, the value can be obtained by seeing that the same number is multiplied by how many times, and that times number of times will be turned into power. For example, this 2 is multiplied 1000 times, so it will be 2 into 1000. So this 2 into 1000, this 2 cube, this 2 to the power 4, this 2 to the power 8, we are getting this type of number. And in this type of number, this 2 is base and this 8 is, you can say, this 8 is exponent, this 8 is index, this 8 is power. So 2 is base and 8 is index, चाहे उसको इंडेक्स कहिए, या एक्सपोनेंट कहिए, या पावर कहिए. इस तरह से हम समझ सकते हैं कि एक्सपोनेंट है क्या. अब हम इसको डिफाइन करते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ एक्सपोनेंट. सो फॉर एनी रियल नंबर ए, number should be a real number. For any real number a and positive integer n, if we define multiplying this a to m times, we are getting a into a into a into a dot 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 to m factors. That can be converted to a to the power n. So this a to the power n, a is called base, n is index or exponent or